Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Stuffed peppers are such a wonderful meal, hearty and full of flavor. Before we dive in, make sure you have all your ingredients ready to go. We're talking vibrant bell peppers, some ground meat or a veggie alternative, cooked rice, and all your favorite spices. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's perfectly warm when your peppers are ready for baking. Now, let's get those beautiful bell peppers ready for their star roll. First, carefully slice each pepper in half lengthwise, right through the stem. Then, use a spoon to scoop out all the seeds and any white membranes from the inside. If you prefer your peppers extra tender, a quick parboil in salted water for about 5 minutes will work wonders, making them perfectly soft and ready to be stuffed. The heart of a great stuffed pepper is its delicious filling. In a large bowl, combine your cooked ground meat or a plant-based substitute with some cooked rice. Next, add in a can of diced tomatoes, undrained for moisture and tang. Now, this is where you customize. Add your favorite herbs and spices, perhaps a pinch of onion powder, some minced garlic, and a touch of dried oregano, then mix it all together until it's perfectly combined. With your filling ready, it's time to stuff those peppers. Generously spoon the mixture into each bell pepper half, mounding it up a little. Arrange your stuffed peppers neatly in a baking dish, then pour about ½ inch of water or broth into the bottom of the dish. This helps create steam for tender cooking. Bake them in your preheated oven for about 45 to 60 minutes until the peppers are tender and the filling is beautifully hot. Your amazing stuffed peppers are now ready to enjoy. Carefully remove them from the oven and let them cool for just a few minutes before serving. For a lovely finish, sprinkle some fresh chopped parsley or a little grated cheese right on top. These hearty, homemade stuffed peppers are perfect served warm, perhaps alongside a simple green salad, making for a truly satisfying and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.